I want to welcome everybody to the first segment of a video series I hope to do about the Meadows Redevelopment Hotel project in historic downtown Fulton, Kentucky. We're located at 101 Commercial Avenue, which is directly at the intersection of Commercial Avenue and State Line Road. As I pan to the south, you'll see the Tennessee State Line and Unity Park, which was just recently constructed 2 years ago. The new hotel does overlook both Unity Park to the south. It's directly across the street from the Pontotoc Park where I am. And just to the north is Lake Street, which is the primary business district of downtown Fulton. I purchased this building last year in February of 2016 after months of trying, and with this project in mind. A little history on the building. This building was constructed by Mr. W.W. Meadows, a prominent businessman of his day, and it was completed and opened to the public with great fanfare, they said, in 1901. So the building this year is 116 years old. It served as the Meadows Hotel until 1933, and the big fire hit and destroyed most of the building, which at the time was a block long and 3 stories tall. So all that remain today are this one 10,000 square foot section. Coming in September this year, we'll open our doors to the new Meadows Hotel, which will be a small boutique hotel featuring 14 guest rooms, a small lobby retail shop, as well as a small intimate bar and restaurant called Bar 101. For the last several months now, the building's been under really total reconstruction. It began first with the architectural design and followed by true construction. Cersei Contractors is the general. On the exterior of the building, and I'm going to pan in a little bit so you can see better, the environmental specialist came in hazmat suited and cleaned all the lead-based paint off the brick, exposing the original brick facade. Then Papirski Masonry came in and did a total repointing project where each and every brick had a quarter grind put around it to reinstall or repoint new mortar. Unfortunately, the brick is old and porous and will absorb moisture, which could cause vapor barrier problems. So I've been told I'll have to repaint. The new scheme is likely to be a medium gray sort of paint and will accent every architectural feature of the hotel. For example, the limestone headers above and the seals below will be accented in a porcelain white. You'll start to see some real change in the exterior of the building next week when Pella windows should arrive and be reinstalled on the second floor. The first floor has the typical turn-of-the-century storefront, which is made of cast iron. It has block transoms on top and the display glass on the bottom. All of that, unfortunately, is beyond repair. So that entire storefront that you're seeing will be torn out and a brand new storefront constructed that will exactly resemble the original. This concludes our first tour of the exterior of the front of the Meadows Hotel. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and stay tuned for coming presentations as we go through room by room of the new hotel.